हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा दिल में बसाए रखना। With these words, I, Smriti Chaurasia, wishing you all an enthusiastic and patriotic morning.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let thy country awake. Amen.
Thank you, ma'am.
My
And I welcome you all in this virtual celebration of our 75th Independence Day. I wish you all 75 times more stronger, more brighter, and happiest Independence Day. आज के सुबह की कुछ बात निराली है, आज के सुबह की कुछ बात निराली है। सूरज उगता लेके चेहरे पर एक अलग सी लाली है, सूरज उगता लेके चेहरे पर एक अलग सी लाली है। दिल में जय हिंद का हुजूम है, दिल में जय हिंद का हुजूम है। शहीदों की देन ये आजादी वाली दिवाली। With these words, I would like to request Ajay sir for the national anthem and the flag hosting. Ajay sir. And everyone please stand up.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Of our 75th Independence Day, I would like to call Kabir of class 5th. Kabir, over to you. Kabir of class 5th.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. I feel great that to present this. Mary was wonder in many ways to all of us because on this day in 1947 we got the independence from the British ruler. First great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our India. Thousands of lived and thousands were lies, so that the country breathed this day never be forgotten sacrifice. Today we are fortunate that are born in independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers continuously fight on the border to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Over to ma'am. You.
Thank you, Kabir. Thank you, Kabir, for your evocative words. Now, I would like to call Harshal Sarkar. So, everyone, please be ready for Harshal Sarkar of class KG. He is all set to spellbound us with his poem. Harshal, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Harshal Sarkar from KG class, wishing you all very happy Independence Day. Oh, tricolor, you are my pride. Make me strong and happy inside. Beauty you have like a new pride. Oh, tricolor, you are my pride. You are the inspiration, passion you provide. Love me, let's respect the nation. Why? You are splendid and popular worldwide. Love, oh, tricolor, you are my pride. Jai Hind! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Thank you.
Thank you, Harshal. Thank you for the beautiful poem. Thank you so much. वतन है मेरा सबसे महान दूजा नाम, वतन आबरू पर है सब कुर्बान, शांति का दूत है मेरा हिंदुस्तान। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं कक्षा 3 के छात्र यशस्व बरनवाल को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। यशस्व,
Ma'am.
yes, Yashashwa, you are audible. Please start.
Good morning, all of you. माननीय अतिथि महोदया, आदरणीय प्राचार्य, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को मेरी सादर प्रणाम और मेरी तरफ से 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दोस्तों, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, आज के दिन हमारे देश को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आजाद होकर 75 साल पूरे हुए हैं। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप लोगों के समक्ष देश प्रेम की भावना से ओतप्रोत 2 शब्द रखने जा रहा हूँ। आओ झुककर करे सलाम उनको जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है। खुश नसीब होते हैं वो लोग जिनका लहू इस देश के काम आता है। थैंक यू। भारत माता की जय।
भारत माता की जय। बिल्कुल। Independence Day celebration is incomplete without a dance performance. So, I would like to request Vihan sir and our little acquaintance of class nursery and KG for the dance performance. So, Vihan sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Independence to all of you. Kindly mute yourself. Okay, now I'm going to play the music. All of you, class nursery to class 3, stand up and get ready for dance. On आओ बच्चों तुम्हें
stand up.
Excuse me, sir. Just second class.
Okay.
तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, धरती से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, धरती से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। उत्तर में अखबारी घटा पर्वत राज विराट है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। यमुना जी के को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है, बात बात में घाट घाट में यहाँ किनारा देखो ये तस्वीर में अपने गौरव की अभिमान की, मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
Very good, Kagesh.
ये है अपना राजस्थान।
Very nice. Now over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. A big round of applause for all our students of nursery and KG. Wow, you all were so energetic. Lovely, lovely. Now, students, it's time for knowing the facts about the Independence Day. So, I would like to call Shrishti of class 6. Shrishti, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. Importance of Independence Day. India's Independence Day is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifices that many freedom fighters made to get independence from British rule. It is a day from the British rule that holds a lot of independence and pride for all of the country citizens. Independence Day is celebrated joyfully all over the country on 15th August. It is a way to pay tribute to the freedom fighter. It is a day to remember the many people that gave their life for our country and its freedom. It's a day to celebrate the spirit of the freedom. Independence Day celebrate the immersive appraisal that the citizens of our country felt on 15th August 1947. One of the biggest reasons for celebrating this day is to keep the love for India alive. It is the day when we felt the love and partition for the country. Facts of Independence Day. The tricolor flag is based on Swarak flag, which was developed by a freedom fighter who was a farmer. India did not have an official national anthem at the time of independence. Jana Gana Mana was written back in all, however, it was adopted officially and national anthem of India on January 24, 1950. Lord Mountbatten, the vast very and the first governor general to declare the Independence Day of India. Earlier it was supposed to be on 1948. However, he reopened it to August 15, 1947 to avoid bloodshed and riots. 5 other countries celebrating their Independence Day on August 15 along with India, including Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Republic of Korea. This national flag of India, by law, it is to be made of khali, a special type of hand-spun cloth of cotton or silk, made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrishti, for such an informative fact check. Now, it's time for the musical message of Independence Day in the melodious voice of our very own Sri Tiwari of class 1st.
स्कूल बच्चा तो
Over to you.
रंगा वाला कपड़ा पहन ले वन
में रंगोली सतरंग क्या मैं कदम पे गट्टी बदले पगड़ी पहने आंख में नीली चादर ताने नदिस मेरी गीला देश रंगीला नीला देश मेरा गीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला देश मेरा
ऑरेंज रंग का घघरी है मेरे पास व्हाइट
Thank you, Shri, for the mellifluous and tuneful song. It was lovely. Thank you. Now, I would like to request the students of class 1 and 2 to be ready to give a tribute to our freedom fighters with the pinch of drama. So, I would like to call Darsh Baranwal of class 2. Darsh, over to you.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद सब खुशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे देखना है तो बाजी का दिल है जय हिंद हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे
Okay, thank you, Darsh. Now I would like to call Adrika Singh, class 2. Adrika, unmute yourself.
मैं लाला राजस्थान साइंस कमीशन का विरोध करने आया हूँ गो साइंस गो साइंस तुमसे मेरा क्लास और महंगा पड़ेगा अंग्रेजों
Thank you, Adrika. Thank you so much. Now I would like to call Adya Singh of class 1. Adya, please unmute yourself.
My name is Adya Singh, class 1. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम थैंक यू मैम एंड सर
Thank you, Adya. Thank you so much. Now I would like to call Yogeshwar of class 2nd. Yogeshwar, please unmute yourself.
लड़ो लड़ नहीं सकते तो लिखो लिख भी नहीं सकते तो बोलो बोल भी नहीं सकते तो साथ दो साथ भी नहीं दे सकते तो जो लिख बोल और लड़ रहे हैं इनका मनोबल मत तोड़ो क्योंकि वो लड़ रहा है मैं शिवाजी हर हर महादेव जय भवानी थैंक यू
Thank you, Yogeshwar. Thank you. Now I would like to call Aksharansh Soni of class 1. Aksharansh, please unmute yourself.
My name is Aksharansh Soni, class first. My getup is Subhash Chandra Bose. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा जय हिंद वंदे मातरम भारत माता की जय हैप्पी
Thank you to all the students of class 1 and 2. It was mesmerizing performance. Thank you so much. I would like to salute to all our freedom fighters, soldiers and martyrs for sacrificing their life for our Matrabhumi. Without them, this day would not be possible. Now, with these words, I would like to call Varun Dwivedi of class 4 to illuminate us with the theme Nation First, Always First. Varun Dwivedi, over
Okay,
to
ma'am.
you, Varun.
Good morning, everyone. My respected principal ma'am,
my respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Varun Dividi of class 4. Today, I am going to give the speech on Independence Day. It was on August 15, 1947. India got freedom from British colonial rule. Independence Day is celebrated in India to honor the sacrifice and struggles our freedom fighters made to make India independent from British rule. This year, to celebrate the 75th Independence Day, the theme is Nation First, Progress First. And the coronavirus always first. And of the country will celebrate occasions from their homes to celebrate 75 years of Independence Day and commemorate is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The government of India has called upon people to submit videos them singing the national anthem to make a celebration more memorable. This year, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will give his address to all Indians who won medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020. The event will be restricted to the public and will have no cultural performance due to COVID-19 virus. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you, Varun, for inspiring us with your words. Now, I would like to call Vihan sir and our senior students for the dance performance. Vihan sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. All the class senior students, please stand up. Class 4 to 8. Get ready to join the Basanti dance. And other one, please mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, and thank you to all the students for such an energetic performance. For my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I need for my country and wish for my country is endless happiness. With these words, I would like to call A. Vartika ma'am for the vote of thanks. A. Vartika ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Smriti ma'am. Good morning to all and a very happy Independence Day. On this auspicious day of independence, I, A. Vartika, deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of our school. First of all, I would like to thank our principal ma'am under whose guidance and support this virtual celebration become possible. Followed by this, I feel so glad to appreciate all these young talents who have participated actively and with full of enthusiasm and made us all aware with the facts and importance of the Independence Day. Special thanks to all my fellow teachers who guided and trained our students for this beautiful day. I would like to thank you all very much for being a part of this celebration and for glorifying this day. Jai Hind. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I would like to call Ajay sir to lilt us with the national song. Ajay sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, everyone, please listen song for national song. I am singing the song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujlam, Suflam, Malaj Shitlam, Jasya Sham